How's it going? All right, let's do the proper unboxing, guys. We're gonna use this fancy katana. I've used it a little bit for unboxings. It's a little bit tricky when you have like a big box, but shouldn't be too bad for this one, hopefully. I feel very weird, like a huge katana. Trying to do like a little cut with this, but let's open it up. So again, this is the first tablet that I've ever done on the channel, so I'm kind of excited to take a look at it together and do a proper unboxing with you. We can also get some links for this if you guys are interested. Again, it's pretty widely available, so hopefully we can get some links for it set up. We don't have like the global splitter page set up on the community yet for this one, but we can probably set it up soon if you're interested. I'll cut these off. I might also try the autofocus on here. Let me see. As long as I'm not getting too far in the way. All right. Sometimes I like to focus on my shoulder, so we'll take a look. Always cut away from you, chat. That's the rules, right? I believe. As I cut towards me. There we go. Slice it with a katana and put the katana back. Here's our proper unboxing here. Yep, gaming tablet, dark Speedle. So if you're into mobile gaming, this is a good option. I will be honest, I'm not a huge mobile gamer, but I do still like a tablet. So, and more importantly, I like to do unboxings. So let's take a look at here. What's up, Jimmy? Welcome in. Good to see you. We've been waiting for this SoC. Let me get the grip around it here. Trying to do it carefully, but it's a little bit wrapped around there. Hang on. Also, this thing was insanely, I got it delivered from our product manager and it had like 15 layers of bubble wrap around it. So if this thing is damaged in any way, I'll be very surprised. As you can tell, it's pretty wedged in there too. The handheld market's slaying out these days. I know, wait till you see later this year, Dark, with the Go 2, which is our biggest question we always get on this stream. Go 2 when? All right. So there we go. We have it here. Let me double check that YouTube is showing. I don't think YouTube is showing actually. Activate selected, maybe. Okay, now we should see YouTube. Sorry, YouTube, if you guys were talking. I don't know why it wasn't showing the overlay for a sec, but here's the inside of it here. We have the top off the side. There we go. There's the YouTube chat. When we see the Gen 4 come to US, that's a good question. I am not totally sure, Oracle, but I will try and find out for you. I think you're supposed to pull it out this way. Again, I have not practiced this, guys, so we're gonna go at it together. It's very really wedged in there pretty tight. Okay, so here's the actual, this looks like probably some, might be the case potentially. Open this up really quick because these actually do come with a case, which is kind of nifty. So there we go. Here's the actual case that it comes with. Open that up really quickly. You see a tablet in there as well, but I know I didn't do the most beautiful job with the packaging opening, but that's not the important part, right? Here's the actual case that it comes with. It's got kind of this like shimmery finish to it, and it does have a magnetic close to it you can hear. Here's the inside. I think it also comes with a screen protector, I believe. It might be in here. It looks like these are some cleaning kit stuff. This is a very well put together package. Just a lot of layers to it. But okay, so that's just a filler, never mind. I think there is some cleaning materials in here. So I'll put this case to the side for a second so we can hold it over here. I don't think there's anything else in here necessarily, but here's the actual box itself. And there's also this over here, which I can take a look at really quickly. Saving the tablet for last, of course. That's how we gotta do it. When is a new video about the Legion Go S with SteamOS will come? Right after this. I'm literally giving you can see it right there. It's right there. We're gonna look at it in just a second, but we have this cool little, I'm not sure what that is, to be honest with you. I think it works with the stand, so we'll figure out that later. I think the rest of this is just materials. And then this looks like probably, yes, the screen protector and wipe materials. So this actually reminds me a lot of our Legion Go kind of stuff. So this is the actual screen protector here, and you can use this to prepare the device with cleaning and all that sort of thing. I'll put this over here for a second. Let's get into the actual tablet itself. Boom, just slides right out, look at that. So here is the tablet. No fingerprints at all for now. Try and keep it that way the best I can. With the back of the tablet as well, got that nice Legion logo. See if I can kind of get a little bit of light for you guys to see it up close. Or I could zoom in potentially if you want to see it like this. There we go. Just a nice sleek tablet. I will try to turn it on. I don't know if it's actually charged from the factory. Usually they are, but we'll find out really quickly. There we go. Look, plugged in, turned on. Running Android, of course, which I'm partial to. What can I say? And one interesting thing with this tablet, there's a USB-C on this side here, as well as this side. So you can kind of choose which way you want to use it. You know, if you're gaming, you want to hold it like this potentially. You can have it charging down here, so this isn't right where your thumb is. So pretty cool. Reminds me of, actually, if you ever seen the Legion phone back in the day, that one also had 2 USB-Cs, although it was not super widely available. So yeah, there's our tablet here. Let me try to position it in the camera a little bit. Zoom this out a bit. It's an 8.8 inch screen, I believe, James. I believe that's what I was hearing today. Yeah, it's not 11 inches. It's definitely a smaller tablet. So like if you're used to a giant one, it's not as big as that. But you can kind of compare it to the Legion Go as well. If you want to see, like it's pretty similar size, slightly bigger than the Go S, you can see. But like compared to a phone, I'll show my phone here. This is my phone compared to the tablet. You can see the difference there essentially. It's a little bigger than a phone. I mean, I have a pretty big phone. It's like the XL thing, but yeah, it's a good size for that, not being super massive. Does it have SD card slots? That is a good question. I don't think so. No, but it has, I believe, pretty good storage off the bat. I will get this started here. You guys want to put the case on? Should we do that? I won't put the screen protector on just yet. I kind of want to see how the case works though. There we go. Look at that. It slides right in. Pretty nice. Just like that. I'm probably going to use this thing a good bit. Again, I don't play a lot of mobile games necessarily, but it's a pretty nice tablet, I gotta say. Let me see. We got also a charger in here. It actually comes with the charger. Sometimes that's not always the case with phones and tablets these days. So that's kind of nice. And then in the inside here, you have another actual charger cable, and then a quick start guide and some other documentation in there as well. So that's what's in the box as you get it. Also guys, if you like unboxings, I am working to have a better unboxing station in the future, so stay tuned. Hopefully a top-down camera is one thing I'd like to do in the future. We'll see. But yeah, here's the actual tablet itself. I have to go through the actual sign-up stuff, I believe. Yeah, I'll have to go through all this. Again, I did not prep this. This is straight out of the box. This will be your actual out-of-box experience if you do decide to get one, just for reference. What's up, Ernie? Hey, thank you. Did you see the video with the CPU and the GPU giveaway? The avatar stuff, we were just showing that on stream as well. But yeah, I'm pretty excited about that. If you guys have come from that, then welcome in. Good to see you. Show us your login info. You know, I'm surprised it hasn't leaked already. It probably has at some point. Life of a streamer, man. Everything leaks eventually. You have the first and the second tablet, third one, no SD card slot. Yeah, so I didn't know it was actually in the first and third. But also, one thing with the tablets is they tend to be... Some are available in some regions and not others. This one, I think, is one of the most widely available tablets that we've ever released. Like in North America, because I'm from North America, I think this is maybe the first tablet we've come out with, maybe ever. I can't remember the last one we did, but it's been a while. So where it's been more available in Europe and Asia, this is the first time we've seen it here. So I can open it up and boot it if you guys want to. I don't have like necessarily a specific game in mind I was looking to play, but if you guys want to see something, we can. Or we can go over to the Steam OS. You can see me try to apply the screen protector if you want. I've done that once or twice. It's a bit of a process, but it's actually not too bad. They have like a pretty nice little guide here. Oh, I think this thing is actually for applying the screen protector. I think I was learning about that too. So you can use, basically you start, there, it walks you through the guide. You kind of wipe off the screen first with the dry one, then the wet one, maybe vice versa. And then you can use that little tool to apply the screen protector evenly without having to kind of eyeball it. So it's nice if you want to make sure you get a good, even application of the screen protector.